Mayla, we just collected today. After you put them in the fridge.
Size this big or is it bigger?
Yeah, they go bigger.
They go big.
They go bigger. Yeah, they go bigger. But I'm telling you, like, because it make a lot of fruit, Mayla. Yeah, in one branch you're gonna have 5, 6 fruit. It depends how many fruit you're gonna keep. How many you're gonna.
Right.
And this one, I tried last year, but it's not like wow. Let's see. Look how beautiful the color.
Very pretty.
Yeah. And self-pollination.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But if you keep it self-pollination, it's gonna
Smaller.
small.
Yeah. I heard that if you cross pollinate with other, it gets bigger.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why for me, I mix every night. I mix all the pollen, and I go around.
Yeah. Oh, in the one vial, it's a different ones in there.
Different in there. Yeah, I mix them up. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think if you eat it fresh like this, you grab it, it's better than you put it in the fridge.
Right.
People, they said put it in
I
the
think
fridge.
so.
I love it like this.
Yeah.
But morning, early, when you know, just like how many we try, everyone really, really
A little bit
different.
different, yeah.
It's like different. This is have acidity. But
Right. This is good.
you like something have acidity a little bit, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because acidity give it more flavor. Yeah. But the sugar is not gonna be high in this.
No, I don't think so.
In Mayla, no. No, maybe 11. Yeah. But look at the color. Very dark color.
It's not watery. It's
No, yeah.
thicker.
You know, because I don't water them for 2-3 days. Because we know what happened. When you have a sunburn for the branch and you water them, that branch be full of water.
Ah.
You know, all the water go where's the burn, where's the yellow in the branch,
Right.
and then you find
they just
they
soggy.
Soggy and mushy.
Yeah, mushy.
Yeah, I try in purpose to. I don't know how I'm gonna get liquid from it. I will try as much as I can. No way we cannot. Yeah. 15.8.
Wow.
It's respectable.
Yeah.
It's a lot higher than I thought.
15. Yeah. Because there's acid, that's make you okay.
Yeah.
They take some of the
Right.
taste from the flavor, the sugar to flavor.
Right.
Yeah. Nah.